TJ with American Renovation. Today we're on location. What we're going to do is take 2 rooms and convert it into 1. Follow me. One of the most important aspects of a job site is prep work. As you can see, we've got a pathway going to the location with ram board underneath and drop cloths. So here we are over here. What we're going to do is we're going to remove this wall. We're going to salvage the door. We're going to go ahead and remove this wall. And we're going to take all the wainscoting, crown molding, and base molding off. Once we've done that, we're going to build a wall over here. We're going to take the salvage door, place it here, drywall texture, all done. Coming into this room, what we're going to do is obviously take this wall down as well. You know, take the crown molding off, patch the ceiling, put in 15 lights, and call it a day. Alright, so one of the important factors of a job site is containment of dust. Over here we got a HEPA 500. We're going to be running 2 of these on this job site. And what it's going to do is it's going to suck in all the dust that's created. And it's important because it's going to stop the dust from settling other places. Well, we keep it running even after we leave the job site because dust takes about 72 hours to settle. Alright, so we're at the step where we have to take off the molding. So one of the key factors is taking a knife and scoring the very top. And the reason you're doing that is because there's caulking, and that caulking acts like a glue. And you want to make sure you take care of that. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and take a pry bar and get in there. And pop it open. Alright, now if we don't remove the caulking, let's see what happens. As you can see, it's going ahead and ripping off the paint up above. And since we're removing this wall, it's not that crucial, but if you're trying to remove molding and you don't want to do any drywall repair, it's imperative that you cut the caulking off. We're going to do the same thing for the crown molding. What we're going to do is take the blade, score the bottom. Once we finish scoring the bottom, we're going to score the top. And you want to take your time so that you don't slip. Once you're done with that, you're going to do the inside corner. Alright, and this one's got a joint right here, so I can also do the joint. Alright, now we're going to take a hammer and some sort of pry bar and go ahead, grab it, and out it comes. As you can see, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails in a piece that's only about 16 inches long. And here's the score mark. Eventually we'll just peel this guy off. Alright, so this crown molding wasn't coming off. As you can see, we tried to take it off and it wasn't. The reason is because this wainscoting paneling is butt up to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to score that first, all the way. Alright, we're going to go ahead and score the inside corner as well, all the way down. And again, we're removing the caulking that's attaching it. And we're going to just stick our hands in here. And you should be able to just pull it right off. As you can see, there's a lot of nails holding this guy. So now that we have all the wainscoting off, the crown molding, the base molding, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut the corner of the drywall on both sides and up on the ceiling. This is going to give me the ability to remove the drywall without damaging each side or the ceiling. we're exposing the ceiling. We've snapped a line 15 inches on this side and that side and used a chalk line. And that's that black line you see on the ceiling. Now what I'm using is a flush cutter, running along this line. And then once I get it cut, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the drywall down and then see what's going on up above, so I can expose the framing. Alright guys, we're wrapping up day one. Let me do a walkthrough with you, show you what's going on. As you can see, this door has been taken out. We've salvaged this door. We're going to use it later. Up in here, the wainscoting is gone. Crown molding is gone. The drywall over here is gone. Let's go into the other room. The door that was here is gone. Coming in, you'll see that the drywall in this area is gone. Take a look at the ceiling. You can see the TGI is exposed at this point. Same thing about the 15-inch cut I was doing earlier. So that's about it. We'll see you in day two.